Okay, today we have another problem which comes from the concept of exponents in form 2. So we have our equation here, solution. We have our equation 2x, 2 exponent x plus 5 is equal to 2 exponent 2x plus 5 dot 2 exponent x. So we can simplify it by expanding this to exponent 2x. So this one will be 2x plus 5 is equal to exponent x times 2 exponent x plus 5 times 2 exponent x. So this dot means times or multiplication. So since we have um, 2 exponent x in 4 times, 1 2 3 4. So we can let any letter mean, for example, y is equal to 2 exponent x. Then we can substitute y where there is 2 exponent x. So this one will be y plus 5 is equal to y times y plus 5 times y. So we have substituted y where there is 2 exponent x. Remember, this is a technique on how to solve this problem. So y plus 5 is equal to y squared plus 5y. So we can transfer this to the right side. So we remain with 0, y squared plus 5y minus y minus 5. So this one will be y squared plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So here we can solve for y by using the general formula of the quadratic equation. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this one will be y. Negative b is 4. So it will be negative 4 plus or minus the square root. b squared. b squared, we have b, which is 4. 4 squared minus 4 times a. A is 1. The coefficient of y squared is 1. So times c, which is negative 5. This one. This one. So we divide by 2 times a, which is 1. So you can see what will happen here. We have y is equal to negative 4 plus or minus. This is 16. A negative times positive times negative, we get plus 20 divided by 2. So y will be equal to negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 36 divided by 2. So this one will be y is equal to negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 36 is 6 divided by 2. So y will be equal to negative 4 plus 6 over 2 or negative 4 minus 6 divided by 2. So now we can encounter what is the value of y. So after simplifying that one, we'll have y equals to how much? We have y equals to how much? So this one will be y is equal to positive 2 divided by 2, because we found that negative 4 plus 6 will remain with 2. So 2 divided by 2, or negative 4 minus 6, which is negative 10 divided by 2. So y will be equal to 1 or negative 5. Remember, we let at previous, we let y is equal to 2 exponent x. So we found y is equal to 1 or negative 5. So if y is equal to 1, then 2 exponent x. So here we know that 1 is equal to 2 exponent 0, which is equal to 2 exponent x. So we can cancel out 2 and 2 because the bases are the same. So here we will cancel 2 and 2 and we remain with x is equal to 0. On the other hand, we can use negative 5 as one of the values of y. So negative 5 will be equal to 2x. So here we can introduce the logarithm both sides. The logarithm here of negative 5 is equal to the logarithm of 2 exponent x. So x will be equal to logarithm of negative 5 divided by logarithm of 2. Therefore, x will be equal to 0, or x will be equal to the logarithm of negative 5 divided by the logarithm of 2. Thank you very much.